Hi, in this video I want to focus on restructuring the hand to 5 fingers, and as you can see I have 4 fingers and a thumb which is relocated, so it looks more like a hand now with 4 fingers and a thumb. And previously I had 2 fingers connected with the pneumatics to one tube, and that will change too. However, with the new valves I run into a spatial problem, so I have to find a solution for that. So we will see how that solution ends up. And to get everything connected and separate, I added these 2 new valves. I had to extend, of course, the tubes with T-pieces and connections to the new valves, which also had to be wired here and to the mass. This is for the control of the valves, opening and closing them. This is for the mass, as I said, and of course a new wire for the 5th finger. And this way you can also see how everything is set up. Normally this is on top of it, and I have to find a way to put these 2 new valves on the board, and if it doesn't fit I have to find another way. And for now I have found the solution by putting the 2 new valves here and one under the compression chamber, which I elevated a little bit. So the tube comes from the compression chamber, goes to the 1st valve, goes to the 2nd valve, 3rd valve, and so on. And a little bit of reconnecting, sometimes they get loose. And with all the wires in place I can try to get the program reprogrammed, because things are in a different location and I have to add these 2 valves. So that is what lies ahead. And with the hand and valves etc. completely set up and rewired, it is time to have a rewritten program. So here we say from Robo Interface import, which is the API, and here I address the interface serial number, which is specifically that interface. I import time for sleeping or to keep it running for some time. Then, while the interface is detected, I have now 5 digital inputs connected on the interface, which are consistent with each finger and each valve. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and here 3 are the actual inputs which control the valves, and while the numbering is a little bit seems a little bit odd, these are the actual inputs from the motor, because on the robo interface you have 4 motors, but since each motor or 4 motor inputs which all have 2 connections, but each connection can be used as well. So this is connection 3, connection 8, connection 7, etc. So from each valve, one wire goes to this output and the other wire goes to mass or ground. And this way you can also set the motor speed. So in this case speed 1, and that is for testing, see if the compressor actually works, etc. For full speed you set it to 5 or even to 8, and that is the rewritten program. And actually I have to change this IC because it says digital 5, which of course has to be each different. So let us change this. This is more consistent. And this way you can control the whole hand. So what is left is the demonstration of the working hand. And as a conclusion, demonstration of all fingers. Let me adjust the cam angle a bit. So there's compressed by now. So as you can see, all fingers respond to their respective switches, and there are 5 fingers by now. And so far everything works, and this is a nice step for concluding this bit, and looking forward to extensions. Thank you for watching, and to be continued.